Welcome to English Digital. Today we're going to look at an online learning platform called ALISON. The link is in the description. So please click the link and you can join this platform and you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, because this is a very useful video, because you can learn for free on this platform for various categories. Various categories from business management to health to language to personal development, sales and marketing, engineering, construction, teaching and academics, and of course IT. So under each section there are so many subcategories as well. So let's explore this in a while. So you get diploma courses and you get certificate courses and you get English learning courses and all of that stuff, right? So the best part is here, all the lectures are video based and all the lectures have small assessments and you can do them for free. And to get the certificate, you just need to pay €4 for a digital certificate, or even it depends on what type of certificate you want, right? So it's very cost effective and it's very, very useful and can be a life changer for you, because these courses are recognized by a lot of employees in international markets. This is an international website. This is not some dumb website. It's a very valuable. You can even see the Trustpilot ratings. We got a lot of reviews here, 4.6, and it's a very, very, very useful platform. I think it's an American website, but it's very useful. So make maximum use of it to enhance and develop your career. Okay, so let us quickly run through how you need to use this platform. First, you need to register, of course. Once you log in, you just click on sign up and it will automatically, I already signed up here, but you can just click on sign up and register yourself in this platform. After that, look for a course which might suit you to develop your career. For example, let us choose sales and marketing, for example. Okay, so under sales and marketing, there are a lot of courses. Okay, let us choose something which is familiar, which might be useful for you. Let's say diploma in sales management, for example, right? Just you can check more information here. Click that. It'll take you to the next screen. So you don't have to just sign up for a course. First, you can understand, analyze the course and see what it offers. Then if you like it, yes, then you can sign up for the course. Okay, so you can see here already 34,000 people have enrolled for this course. It's all free enrollment. Only for certificate you need to pay. So you can study for free, and if you want a certificate, which you should get, because you don't want to just learn and keep, want to pay for certificates. So you should look to pay and get the certificate, which I told you, just for between €4 and €10. So it's very, very cost effective. So if you can say the 15 hours of learning, so try to learn for half an hour to 1 hour a day. Okay, then you get the CPD accreditation. The final assessment is also available. You take how many modules, you can see there this course has about 14 modules, with the 15th module being the course assessment, and all the modules are video based lecture. Like I told you, you can go to the course description here before you start the course and see if it suits your requirement. Then certificate, also you will get a certificate like this. You get the digital diploma certificate, which I told you is the most cost effective, cheapest. Then you get the normal printed version. Then you get the frame version as well, which they will ship it to you. So it depends on what type of certificate you want. So you pay as per what type of certificate you require. But the digital certificate is very, very valid, since you can use it on your LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile, your any online platform, and especially LinkedIn really recognizes this ALISON platform. So it will recommend your profile to the employers. So most universities, brick and mortar, they will just give you a physical downloadable certificate. Here you get a digital. When I say digital, you get a URL. Okay, let's say alison.com/your profile code and the certificate. So this certificate is linked to your profile. So Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, they can verify it is you. You are the owner of this certificate. So it will recommend your certificate to potential employers. That's very important. And you can download a PDF copy of the certificate as well under the digital diploma once you pay and get that after you completed the course. So it's very useful. So make maximum use of this learning platform, especially learning for free, right? So we're just talking about diploma in sales management here, but there are 5,000 courses here, believe it or not. Okay, if you just click all diploma courses, you can get the full set. And these diplomas are quite good, very good actually, because it's very really practical and it's skill based courses. So you develop skills. You don't just learn fluff and theory, you develop real skills for you to do real jobs in the real business world, right? It's good for entrepreneurs plus students plus people looking to enhance their skill set in their careers. So you get a whole bunch of diploma courses. You can go, this is like covering every area, but you can go category wise easily. You can just go category wise: health, language. If you're looking to learn any foreign language, believe it or not, there are a whole bunch of languages here as well, right? If you want to looking to learn German or Spanish, bam, you got it here. Just click Spanish language, and Alison will show you a whole bunch of certificates in Spanish. Now here they have 4 certificates only in Spanish, so you can choose any other languages. So if you're looking for a health enthusiast, yes, there are a whole bunch of certificates for health under health category. So if you're looking, let's say, health and fitness, if you want to get a fitness freak, if you like to work out and exercise, yes, you can choose health and fitness, and there are a lot of courses in under health and fitness. There are a whole bunch of courses. You can see tabs, so you can just go scrolling around, just scroll and check which course might really suit you. Let's say diploma in human nutrition. Everyone likes nutrition, what they want to know what to eat, so you can just click this course, more information before you click start. If you click start now, you start the course, so then it will take you to that screen where you can just start and register your course. But just want to understand what the course is, you can just click this and see, 132,000 people are already enrolled for this course. So it's a good course, and most of these courses are offered by experts and professionals, plus they're verified by a panel, so the content, everything is all verified and it's up to date, so you don't have to worry about being fluffed with wrong knowledge. It's all accurate, up to date knowledge you're looking at when you're following courses from ALISON. So always take that into mind. So this course is about 21 modules, about 15 hours of learning. That's a lot of information. So especially if you're, let's say, if you're in the fitness industry, if you're working in the gym, or if you own a gym, this type of learning will definitely help you to enhance your career and give counseling to your members, or let's say who you're coaching. You get a certificate as well as you can showcase in your LinkedIn and your other profiles. So ALISON, it's a game changer, has been a game changer for me personally, and it can be a game changer for many. So these certificates are recognized globally in any country in the world, and all the courses are in English, and it'll allow you to improve your English skills as well. And they have courses to learn English as well, right? Learn English courses. So so if you don't know English, if you're struggling to develop the English language, they have here various courses, beginner level in English. You see elementary courses, intermediate courses. So there are a lot of courses in English to cover even advanced courses. So advanced English 501, so you get that. So actually these English courses are very, very useful if you can do this, and if you want to go for a job, these English courses will give you that edge to get selected. Believe me, it's a lot of learning if you're going through these course platforms, right? Going through this entire category of English learning. So don't waste time, and make use of this opportunity. The link is in the description. Click the link and you can join ALISON. Sometimes after completing the course you might get a discounts as well, 10%, 20%, that depends on the region and the area coming from. ALISON offer that to you. We don't offer that, that's up to ALISON, but make use of the opportunity of getting a discount on the certificates as well once you finish the course. There's so much more in ALISON. Okay, you can discover careers, you can build your resume, your CV, and they have a mobile app as well, so you can actually download the app on your phone, and you can start learning from that as well, right? So the possibilities are limitless, so make use of this opportunity and enhance your career, because if you look at the learning structure and the future with the AI coming, the advent of the AI and a lot of technology transformations, the degrees you have done, the master's degrees you have done, let's say 2 years, 5 years, 10 years ago, basically will become obsolete, right? Because you're not updating them, one thing, and they are based, that learning was based on the earlier economic structure and the technology that existed during that time when you learned. But the free learning offered by ALISON, it doesn't matter if you're a degree holder or a master degree holder, or you're a person who just come out of school, a person never been to school. It gives you the opportunity to learn for free and keep your skill sets up to date, because most of the courses are up to date, and they really keep your skill sets fine-tuned, because these days employers are looking for skill sets. When I say skill sets, soft skills, skills which you can really implement in that job and the task and execute the task okay, and complete it, right? It's not just theoretical, it's all practical task execution skill based jobs. So it's very important. That's what employers are looking for. That's what employers value, this type of certificates. You might think, oh, just 15 hours, 20 hours, so what does it mean? Of course, people can just pretend that learning for free and get a certificate, but when the employer tests you, if you fail, then you will fail, obviously. So once you know and grasp the skill sets, the person recruiting you will know when he talks to you with experience. They will tell them, you have the knowledge or not. So make maximum use of the free learning platforms. So don't limit your learning just because you're not selected by university, or didn't have money to go to university, or you don't have interest to learn from university. This is not like university learning. It's learning at your own pace. If you start a course today, when you stop there, again when you start from where you stop. So that's very, very important. Let me show you, for example, if you're doing a course in business, let's say customer service, for example. Okay, so all those people, receptionists, are handling customers. Some of these services, they have a diploma in customer service. This is a very good course. For example, let's see, I'll just show you how this works. So we have course modules here. Let's say you start with module 1 today, and you learn module 1 today and tomorrow for a couple of days. Then let's say you learn module 1 today and you stop. You start from where you stop. For example, you're learning module 1, let's say you learn up to customer service techniques today, and you close off your browser and your computer. And tomorrow when you start, when you log into ALISON, you will start from where you stopped. If you completed this section, you will start from this section, communicating with the customer. So that's how it works. You learn at your own pace, and there's nobody pushing you. And the assessments also, even if you fail this assessment, okay, you can take it again and again until you pass the final assessment, and then you qualified for the certificate. So the whole motive of ALISON is to make you learn and be qualified, make you learn and understand the whole concept. It's not about just putting up a tough exam and making you pass and showing that you're smart or intelligent, because doing tough exams and passing does not make anyone intelligent or smarter than another. It's how you grasp all the information, required information within that niche or that skill sets. What you acquire is what matters. So the different type concept. And what ALISON stands for is Advanced Learning Online Systems. Advanced Learning Interactive Systems Online. That's what ALISON stands for, right? It's not a girl's name, that's what it is. Okay, so if you like this video, please do subscribe and like this video, and share it with your friends, and the link is in the description. Like I told you, click that and join ALISON and expand your knowledge, seek new possibilities, and grow your income. Okay, so until my next video, it's bye from English Digital. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply, and I will catch up later. I'll bring up more useful videos like this to improve your life. Okay, thank you very much.